You guys have a chance to get yourself a pair of the Thunder 4s before they even release for completely free in your size. That's right, in your size. All you guys need to do is like this video, hit that subscribe button down below, join the Moore family. We're trying to hit 100,000 subscribers this year, so please make sure you guys hit that little red button and join the Moore family. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Thunder 4s, and then be sure to DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. I am verified now on Instagram, so please make sure you guys DM me proof that you guys subscribed. Good luck. This giveaway ends before release date for the Air Jordan 4 Thunder, a free pair in the winner's size. Make sure you guys enter this free giveaway. Good luck. The Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green releases on April 15th. Retail is $180. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, do not buy the Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green, because there's not going to be resale on this sneaker at all. I'm going to tell you guys right now, prices before release, just a few days before, are already $200. You get them right now before release for around 200 bucks. Retail is 180 plus tax plus shipping. There's no profit to be made in the Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green. However, I will say, if you like these are a must cop. If you're into the bread toe colorway, if you're into the green, these are clean, they go hard. I can see why people definitely like these, why they're gonna look good on feet. It's a clean pair of Air Jordan 1s, and quality, this leather is very, very soft. The tumbled leather on the back with the green, then you have smooth leather on the toe box and all the black midsection. All the black and white is soft leather, the green is tumbled. It's a nice pair of Air Jordan 1s. They're just not gonna have any resale value to them. If you guys would like to get early sneakers just like this, any hype sneaker, any sneaker at all, looking for a new plug, make sure you guys check out Chicago Imperium. I will leave his Instagram down below in the description. He's the best for early shoes, great prices, below apps. Make sure you guys check out Chicago Imperium. You'll get your sneakers very fast, and of course, everything is 100% authentic. So if you're looking to make money, this is not gonna be the shoe. Pass on these. If you're looking for a good, clean pair of Air Jordan 1s with the black toe color blocking, I think it's a good colorway. If you're looking for green, this is it. Jordan Brand has been giving us a ton of green lately. The Lucky Green Jordan 1s are one of the better greens that have dropped lately, in my opinion. This is a clean pair. They do come with green laces, and they also come with black laces inside this cardboard little box here. Of course, in these, I would prefer the black laces. I'm not a fan of switching out the laces. Just keep it black to match the tongue. I love the Nike Air on the tongue, and they did it correct with the black nylon. Very, very nice. Quality is nice. It's a good colorway. It's a clean shoe. I do think these will sit and potentially even go to Nike outlets. This right here is not going to be a Jordan 1 that has a lot of hype, a lot of demand to it, a lot of resell, no resell to them. It's a brick Jordan 1, but at the end of the day, it's a very clean pair of Jordan 1s that I know a lot of people really want to get their hands on. So hey, if you like them, be sure to cop them, because they're going to be a very easy cop. And if you could wait it out, I do suggest waiting it out, because you will get them for cheaper than retail in just a few weeks. So make sure you guys wait that out, give it some time, and prices will drop. Will these go up in the long run? I potentially could see them going up because of the black toe colorway, the color blocking, the green. It's nice. Green Jordan 1s usually tend to do well. The Pine Green Jordan 1 did really well. The 2.0, not so much. Other green Jordan 1s have been a hit or a miss. I think this one, potentially down the line, it'll definitely take time. It is not worth holding, but down the line, potentially may creep up in price. They may become a sleeper pair of Jordan 1s that released here in 2023. They release on April 15th. Good luck. Make sure you guys put in your footwork. If you do want a pair, you're okay with paying retail, make sure you guys cop and do your footwork, and they should be an easy cop. If you can wait it out and still want them and potentially get them for a cheaper price, I do recommend waiting it out. If you're looking to make money, pass. Do not bother even buying the Jordan 1 Lucky Green. The green outsole is very bright here. It's gonna get very dirty. Make sure you guys put on Drip Grip, the best sole protectors on the market. I have a link down below in the description for you. Use my code Danny10 to get 10% off your order from Drip Grip, the best sole protectors on the market. Are the Air Jordan 1 Lucky Greens a cop or a drop for you? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. If these are a cop, put a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. If they're a drop, please put a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who's copying the Lucky Green Jordan 1s and who's not. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.